Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's product overview, I'm taking a closer look at the Cressi Mexico Snorkel. Now, I don't have one in front of me to physically show you, but I can talk to you about it, and we do have sort of plenty of information to basically decide whether this is the snorkel for you. So this is a fairly basic snorkel, which actually makes it for more advanced snorkelers in that it doesn't have any sort of dry valves to keep any water away or sort of out of that airway, so you do need to have fairly good airway control, or you just don't mind water in and around your mouth. At the top of the snorkel, it does have a wave deflector, so over the top of the air opening, you have this little deflector, which basically, if a wave splashes over the top of your head, it's going to deflect the water away from that opening to try and keep as much water out of the airway as possible, but it's not perfect, so some water is going to make its way in, especially if you dive under the water. That airway is going to fill up. But the deflector is going to do its best to protect you from a basic splash. The whole shape of the snorkel has an ever so slight curve around the top of your head, so it makes the snorkel a bit more hydrodynamic. So when you're in the water and you're swimming along against the water, it's going to prevent that from kind of wobbling on the top of your head. But it's not a full wrap around snorkel. The snorkel keep, very basic hook. You can remove it if you want to. You can move it up and down and kind of twist it around. But all in all, it's just a basic hook that goes over the top of your mast strap, and that's about it. The rest of the snorkel just goes down to a fairly fixed bend, and the very lowest section is all silicone. It's basically all mouthpiece, but yeah, it gives you a little bit of flex, but it's going to hold that mouthpiece in front of your mouth. So if you're using this for scuba diving, it's going to be a bit annoying, to be honest. This is more for freedivers and snorkelers, because with that mouthpiece in front of your mouth, it's just going to get in the way of your regulator, so it's not really for scuba divers. The mouthpiece itself is fairly small. This is quite an old-fashioned design, but actually it's really comfortable because you don't need to sort of bite down really hard on it. So they have very small sort of bite points on that. But all in all, it's quite flexible. But it does have that fixed bend, so that's going to hold the mouthpiece right in front of your mouth. So the Mexico, yeah, it's more designed for snorkelers and people who are quite happy with water in and around their airway, because if you do need to clear the snorkel, you're going to have to push the water all the way out the top of the snorkel. But yeah, otherwise it's a fairly basic, pretty tough snorkel. Not very much to go wrong with it, but it does have a wave deflector at the top, which is going to help you a little bit over just a traditional, really basic snorkel. Yeah, it's worth checking out. It's the Cressi Mexico Snorkel. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Click on the link down below to check it out. Thank you for watching, and safe diving.